Looking for a memory card that keeps your dashcam or security camera running smoothly without missing a beat? The MindStore 128GB microSD XC card is built precisely for that. With a fast 90 megabytes per second read speed and support for full HD 1080p loop recording, it ensures your footage stays continuous and reliable, no frame drops, no gaps. I've seen firsthand how frustrating it is when your camera misses critical moments due to slow or unreliable storage. That's why this card's stable performance in extreme temperatures stands out. Whether you're dealing with scorching heat or freezing cold, it keeps recording without faltering, giving you peace of mind around the clock. What really sets this card apart is its quick access to footage. When you need to review an event fast, the 90 megabytes per second read speed lets you pull up videos instantly, saving you time and hassle. Plus, the included SD adapter means you can easily transfer files to your laptop or other devices without extra gear. Durability matters when you rely on your camera every day. This microSD XC card is shockproof, waterproof, temperature-resistant, and even X-ray proof. That means your important recordings stay protected against power loss, sudden impacts, or harsh weather conditions, exactly what you want for security or dashcam footage. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you get plenty of space to capture hours of HD video. Just keep in mind the available capacity is a bit less, over 116 gigabytes usable, due to formatting, but that's plenty for daily recording needs. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from cameras and gaming consoles to smartphones and tablets. If you're serious about reliable, uninterrupted video capture, this MindStore card is worth a look. It's designed for daily use, giving you consistent performance without compromise. Whether you're monitoring your car or keeping an eye on your property, it's a smart upgrade to your setup. Ready to experience hassle-free video recording? The MindStore 128GB microSD XC card offers the speed, durability, and storage you need for peace of mind. Try it when you're ready and see how smooth your footage can be, no gaps, no delays, just solid performance.